Hello everyone and welcome to the Maths Live channel. My dear students of first year, we have defined the concept system of linear equations. We know the procedure how to solve the examples. So the first step is we have to consider augmented matrix to solve the problem, and then rank of A and rank of AB we have to check, and from that our solution get generated. So here the first question is test for consistency and solve if consistent. The word is missing, solve if consistent. So the first equation is x plus y plus z equal to 3. Second equation is x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 4. Third equation is x plus 4y plus 9z is equal to 6. So these are the three equations, and we have to solve that three equations, means we have to find the values of x, y and z. So our main objective is finding the values of x, y, z. Okay, so this is our non-homogeneous system because Ax equal to 0 is not there. B is present, 3, 4, 6. You can check 3, 4, 6 are there. So write down the system in matrix notation because we have to check for consistency. What is meant by consistent? It has at least one solution. So we have to check that system has at least one solution. For that, I have to check that rank of A is equal to rank of AB. If rank of A is not equal to rank of AB, means system is inconsistent, no need to find its solution. If rank of A equal to rank of AB, then system has a solution. Okay, because it is consistent. So write down in matrix notation. So first step is write down given system in matrix notation. What we get? Write down the coefficient 1, 1, 1. You can check here 1, 1, 1. So we write 1, 1, 1. Second one is 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 4, 9. Correct? Next xyz and 3, 4, 9. So this is our Ax is equal to B. From this, write down augmented matrix AB. Augmented matrix AB is equal to, write down matrix A completely and matrix B completely, only separated line is there. Instead of line, here colons are used. No problem, you can use colon also. Whatever you want to use, you may write this way 1, 1, 1, then one line 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, next 1, 4, 9, 6. You may write this way or A colon B, whatever given here, that also correct. Okay, so as you want, according to that you decide and take it. We want augmented matrix AB only and reduce it into canonical form, means I have to make this 1 0 and below 1 also 0. So for that, which are my operations? R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1, R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. Now do it. 1 minus 1 0. First row as it is 1 1 1 3 as it is. Then 1 minus 1 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 it is 1. So we write 1. Okay. Next one is R3 minus R1. R3 minus R1. Again 1 minus 1 0. 4 minus 1 it is 3. 9 minus 1 it is 8. 6 minus 3 it is 3. Correct? So we get our matrix 1 1 1 3 0 1 2 1 0 3 8 3. Correct? Now I have to make this 3 0. That is R3 minus 3 R2, because my job of R1 is over. Now we have to concentrate on R2. So R3 minus 3 R2. This is my operation. Use that 1 1 1 3 0 1 2 1, and last one is 0. 3 minus 3 it is 0. 8 minus 3 into 2, that is 8 minus 6, that is 2, and 3 minus 3 it become 0. So this is my matrix. Now concentrate on this matrix. Concentrate on last matrix, augmented matrix AB. And from this line, I am just draw the line properly. From this line, tell me, this is my matrix A and whole matrix is my matrix AB, augmented matrix AB. So will you tell me the rank of matrix A? How many rows are there? There are 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. So rank of A is 3. I am writing here, rank of A is 3. Correct. Will you tell me rank of matrix AB, augmented matrix AB? Yes, some people may say that it is 2. But keep in your mind, augmented matrix AB means it contains A. That's why I told you in the video that rank of A is always less than or equal to rank of AB. If rank of A is 3, means rank of AB is at least 3 or more than 3, but not less than 3. Understood? So here rank of AB is also 3 because 3 rows are present. You can check, this is first row, this is second row, and this is third row. All 3 rows are present, right? So rank of AB is also 3. Means can we say that rank of A is equal to rank of AB? Yes, rank of A is equal to rank of AB. Means your system is consistent. So our first question is over. Test for consistency. So our system is consistent. Okay. Now we have to solve it. So our system is consistent, but what is the rank? Rank of A is 3 and it is same as rank of AB, no doubt. Correct? But how many unknowns are there? X, Y, Z. It is 3. So rank of A is equal to rank of AB is equal to number of unknowns, means system has unique solution. System has unique solution. So you have to write properly. System is consistent and it has unique solution. Okay. From these last matrix, will you write down the equations? Will you write down the equations in x, y, z? So first equation is x plus y plus z equal to 3. Second equation is y plus 2z is equal to 1 because 0 is there first term. So y plus 2z is equal to 1. Third one is 0, 0. 2z is equal to 0 means I get z equal to 0. Now back substitute. Here in this equation put z equal to 0. What I get? Y plus 0 is equal to 1. So I get y equal to 1. Now y equal to 1 and z equal to 0. Substitute in the first equation. What I get? X plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 minus 1. So my answer is 2. So what is the answer? 2, 1, 0. So this is the unique solution. Understood it? So this is our first solution of first problem. Now we will see the second problem here. Our second problem is test for consistency and solve if consistent. Now you do it. Find augmented matrix AB. Yes, start. Find augmented matrix AB. Write down the system in matrix notation AX equal to B. So 2 minus 3, 5, 1. Then 2 minus 3, 5, 3, 1 minus 1, 1, 4 minus 6, x, y, z, then 1, 2, 1. This is your AX is equal to B. Correct. Now from this, write down the augmented matrix AB. Which is the augmented matrix AB here? Yes. 2 minus 3, 5, 1. 3, 1 minus 1, 2. 1, 4 minus 6, 1. Now interchange first and last row. R3, R1 interchange R3. So I get here 1, 4 minus 6, 1. Second as it is 3, 1 minus 1, 2. Last one 2 minus 3, 5, 1. Okay. Now make this position 0, make this position 0. So here R2 minus 3 R1, R3 minus 2 R1. Do it. 1, 4 minus 6, 1. Then here 3 minus 3, 0. Then 1 minus 12, it is minus 11. Then minus 1, here minus 1 minus plus 18. So it is 17. Minus 1 plus 18. So it is 17. Next one is 2 minus 3. I get minus 1. Do the last one. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 3 minus 8. So here minus 11. 5 plus 12. It is 17. 1 minus 2. Again minus 1. If you observe here, last two rows are same. So in one operation we make last one 0. R3 minus R2. Do it and you will get last term is 0. Okay. So what is the rank of matrix A? Rank of matrix A is 2 and rank of AB is also 2. So rank of A is equal to rank of AB. By mistake here C printed, but it is B. Rank of AB. So here rank of AB is 2, rank of A is also 2, system is consistent. And how many unknowns? 3 unknowns are there. So it is less than number of unknowns. So by our concept, rank of A is equal to rank of AB, but it is less than number of unknowns, means system is consistent and it has infinite number of solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Right? Now how we are going to find that solutions? For that, write down these equations. What I get? I get x plus 4y. I am writing here properly. X plus 4y minus 6z is equal to 1. Then minus 11y plus 17z is equal to minus 1. How many equations are there? Only 2 equations. And unknowns are 3. When such a case arises, put last variable. What is our last variable? Z is equal to, you may take k or t. Here we take k. K is some constant, temporary variable, and that's why we call unknown infinitely many solutions, because my k has infinite number of values. One of my student may take k equal to 1, is one solution. Second solution, take my roll number is 2, I can take k equal to 2, no problem. K equal to 100, you can take any value of k. Correct? And put that value of k in this equation. So I get y also in terms of k. What I get? Y is equal to minus 1 minus 17k divided by minus 11. Take minus 1 common and cancel. Now it's your exercise. Put this z and y in first equation and find value of x and reply me the answer in the comment section. Okay? So this is our second problem. Some more problems we will take in our next video. Thanks for watching.